Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be using newly launched MAC Extreme Dimension 24-hour Kajal eyeliner to create this reverse smoky eye look, and also without any eyeshadow brush. So yeah, without any further delay, let's begin. So firstly I'm going to fill in eyebrows using Blue Heaven Artisto eyebrow pencil. I will draw the borders of my eyebrows, then I'm filling it using small strokes, and lastly I'm brushing the eyebrows once, so this way it will look natural. Next I will be using Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 04 on my eyelids as the base, and I am blending it using eyeshadow blending brush from PAC, and I am setting it using K Beauty loose powder in shade Banana. Now I am going to draw a very thin line using MAC Extreme Dimension Kajal. I am just using it on the lower lash line and pulling it in outward direction, and I am using very little on the upper lash line as well, just in the outer corner. Now using a Q-tip I am just blending the lower lash line, and further I will blend the kajal using black eyeshadow from this Makeup Revolution Velvet Rose palette. So guys, I am blending the black eyeshadow over the kajal so that it will add a smoky effect, and also kajal will not smudge for hours. And now I am going to tight line the upper and lower waterline really well, and applying this golden shimmer shade all over my eyelid. Now I am curling the eyelashes using Vega eyelash curler and using 2 coats of mascara. This one is from Maybelline Colossal. It is one of my favorite from drugstore. It really lengthens and adds a good volume to the lashes. Now coming to the base makeup, first I will use Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. It really adds a beautiful glow to the skin. And for the foundation I have PAC Cosmetics HD Liquid Foundation. It's in the shade 1.3. So I am blending the foundation using damp sponge in dabbing motion, and for the under eyes I will use 2 concealers. Firstly I will use Swiss Beauty in the shade 04 to cancel out the darkness. I am using it under the eyes, on some pimple marks and around my mouth, so there I have some pigmentation. And next I will be using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in shade Sand, and I'm using it little lower to the under eye, bridge of my nose, chin, cupid's bow and forehead. So guys, we use lighter shade of concealer for highlighting purpose, and then I'm blending all the concealer using same brush from PAC Cosmetics, and I'm setting the concealer using K Beauty loose powder in the shade Banana. So I am dusting off the excess powder using a stippling brush, and next I will set my base using Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer. And now for the bronzer and contour I will be using NYX Matte Bronzer in the shade Deep Tan, and I am using on the hollows of my cheeks, on the jawline, forehead and little on the side of my nose for the chiseled look. Then for the blush we have Wet n Wild blush in the shade Mellow Wine. It's a beautiful coral shade. You can see it looks so natural on the skin, right? And for the highlighter we have Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. It's a gorgeous universal shade, and I'm using it on the high points of my face like cheekbones, bridge of my nose, brow bone, forehead, cupid's bow, and also little on the inner corner of my eyes. Finally for the lips I am using a True Red shade. It's from Inside Cosmetics. I love this ring so much. It's very lightweight, long lasting, and just for 80 rupees guys. The shade I am using is 02 Red Alert, and I think nothing looks better than soft smoky eye and red lips. What do you think? So this is how the eye look and the makeup turned out. You can use any kajal and black eyeshadow for this look. I would love if you tag me in your recreations. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And for more makeup and fashion related videos, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and share this with your friends and family too. I will see you all very soon in my next video guys. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye guys.